Good evening, friends. I welcome you all to another video of mine wherein I'm going to showcase to you as to how to calculate bin in order to plot the histogram. It's a very easy one, and I think most of us know also how to do it. This is, in other words, to find out the intervals. Now, in Python, they use the word bin calculation, and it is also used in the packages also whenever we are going to use it as a function or as an argument. Now here you will see that first and foremost I do have marks for 100 individuals as my observations. So I have showcased to you all the marks, and they are in a proper grouped manner rather than the raw data. After that, we need to understand what is the formula for calculating bins. It's very simple one. N equals to number of observations. Range is maximum value from the observations minus the minimum value of the observations itself. The number of intervals is nothing but the square root of my observation. So width of the intervals will be equal to what? Range upon the number of intervals. And then we proceed further to create the frequency table. So intervals are the bins for us, in other words. So how do we calculate for these 100 individuals? Number of observations 100, maximum value in my grouped data is 91, minimum value that I have showcased out here is 1. So range turns out to be 91 minus 1 equals to 90. Number of intervals is equals to the square root of 100, which is equals to 10. So width of the intervals will come out to be as how much? 90 upon 10, which is equals to 9. So let us proceed further and see as to how to plot the histogram once I have calculated the bins. So here you will see that it is a very easy one. First and foremost, import matplotlib .py plot as plt, and here I have collected and stored the entire, or you can say the grouped observations in a data frame which is equals to x out here. And after that, I'll be using a function that is plt.hist, that is the one, and my I should say arguments under that is number one, call in my data frame which is x, wherein all my observations are stored, and the second one is the bins, that is the intervals that has to be taken care of. So it would be 0, 10, 20, 30 as specified, and this has to be taken care. In my earlier one that you have seen, I have showcased a different way to proceed further after calculating it, and here I have used directly and given the instructions that yes, these are my intervals, which are nothing but the bins also. And after this, when I do control enter, I get this as the output. And here you can see that array has been showcased to me, 9 point something, 13, 19.5, 15, like that it would continue to carry forward. And the array, and this is my class intervals, and list of 10 patches have been created. So on y-axis you can see this is the one, and on x-axis this is the these are the values 0, 20, 40. It is coming out to be like this, and then we can proceed further to go ahead and see the what do we call it as the histogram. So let me proceed further with yet another one wherein I'm going to showcase to you another video regarding the visualizations. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.